New is used to create a blank workspace to construct objects. When new is clicked, the software will close the documents which you are editing and meanwhile create a new file. If the documents you are working on have not been saved yet, the software will prompt if you would like to save it. Open is used to load the save.ezd file. When you select the valid.ezd file, the dialog will display the preview of the file. You must have saved the preview when you save the file. Save file is used to save the current state of a marked document to disk. Save as is used to write the current marked document to disk by another name. If you select Save Preview Image, you will see the preview when you open the file. Refer to Open function. Then you can import vector files and bitmap files. Print is used to print the images you are working with. Scan images is used to get digital graphic object from twin device. System parameter configures the software. This icon of system parameter in toolbar. In general, common parameters can be configured. Unit type, millimeter, and intro two options can be selected. Paste X and paste Y, the relative offsets to the previously object when paste. Set paste X to 12 mm. Draw a rectangle and size X to 10 mm. Copy and paste. The spacing between the rectangles is 12 mm. Set it to 20 mm. Copy and paste. The spacing between the rectangles is 20 mm. Paste, Y same. Grid, show or hide the grid. Grid space, adjust the distance in grid. Input IO mask, user could choose IO put through input IO mask. Output IO mask, user could choose IO put through output IO mask. Enable mark mutex. This option is used to synchronize the EZCAD program with third-party programs. Color is used to set the color of background, workspace, guideline, and grid, etc. Double-click the color stripe could change the color wanted. The set of the workspace's property contains setting the size, type, and position at the workspace. This space is corresponded with the available working field of the laser machine, and any object drawn in this area will be marked in operation. Due to the limit of the field, those objects drawn out of this space may not be marked. The workspace is the rectangle or circle area in the main interface window. Show center cross line. Autosave refers to the interval time between the automatic saves. Move rotate. Nudge distance, the distance that the object moved when pressing direction keys each time. Big nudge scale indicates the number the user wants to time the nudge distance so as to achieve further each time when Synchronously press direction keys and shift key together. Rotate angle. The angle the object rotates each time when press direction keys and Ctrl key together. Object's origin. When use put to origin function, which point of the object should be put on the origin? Set input point node to 1. You can see number 1 point was placed at the origin. Plug Manager. The list displays the EZCAD software plug which has already been installed in the computer. User Manager. Users in choosing whether to use the current software must to input the user password. The box below is used to define the permissions that an account has. Language. This item is used to change languages. Changes will take effect when restarting the marking software. Image library. Save image in the library, then take it out when wants to use. The filling effect will not be copied. Recent file list. A list shows the latest document files opened. Exit the EZCAD software. Edit menu carries out the editing operation of an object. Undo will undo the last action. Example. Redo will redo the last action which has just been deleted. Cut, copy and paste. Combine and combined. Combine will ignore all the selected objects' curve properties and combine those objects into a new curve combination with new curve properties. Uncombined will get the combination back to the curve objects separately. Group, ungroup. When selected, the group function will keep the selected object's original properties and make them into a new object. Ungroup will turn the object which has just been grouped into previous situation. Hatch. We recorded a dedicated video to explain hatch. To curve turns the current selected vector graphics object into curve object. To dash turns the current selected vector graphics object into dashed object. Perform an offset operation on the shape. Delete all curve or not. Offset dist, the distance between the old curve and original object. Reverse offset. Make the text into group according to each character, and then object name of the group is the name of the character. Ungrade text. Each letter becomes a separate object and can be filled individually or multiple.